So the baby was born. The worker that was assigned to my boys was not the one assigned to the baby. A new worker who did not know me or my case plan or anything about me came to the hospital and removed the baby. And it's on the paperwork because mother was emotional and was crying.
A custody battle caught on tape.
You guys don't have some paperwork.
Do you have a court order?
This is an emergency removal.
It's signed by who?
You ain't the law. You are not the law.
We have the right legally to take that child if we believe that there is risk or there is.
What is the chance?
And DCF is going to 3 of the boys' friends as well, taking children from 2 of them. Tammy Young says her daughter is missing. Joanna Rodriguez says her 2 daughters may have head lice. And Heather Carol Lopez, a witness in LaBoy's case, is now being investigated.
Her caseworker had threatened me that she said, if you don't leave now, then you're going to have problems with your kids.
Who had her kids taken away, and when she fought back, saw her relatives' kids taken away, and when she won her appeal, saw her attorney's child taken away. These former CPS workers say that kind of retaliatory power is common, and in this secretive one-side system, they can take your kids away right now if they want to and get away with it.
They take the child away and put it in a foster family. CPS gets money. If they adopt the child out, they get money. If they give the child back to the parents, they get no more money. It's a dollar and cents situation.
The kids. The troubleshooters obtained a never-before-released study that tracks the ages of these foster kids on these drugs for a 1-month period of time. At least 300 of these children are under the age of 7, preschoolers, even toddlers. Why would a 3-year-old need to be on psychotropic meds?
I have no idea. I was on 7 different medications at once.
Zoloft, Paxil, and Wellbutrin, and Depakote.
They put me on all kinds of meds.
And all say being on those medications made their lives more difficult.
Like a zombie.
I wasn't myself. I was more of an isolator.
When I worked in the foster care system as a CASA, which is a court-appointed special advocate, in fact, I found that there were an alarming number of children that were being placed on psychotropic drugs. Well, obviously the motivation is money, and they're extremely profitable drugs.
The cabinet praises you for terminating rights and adopting the kids out immediately.
She says the concerted effort to take children away and put them up for adoption was so brazen, she actually saw someone successfully place an order for children.
Someone could not have a child and wanted a child, so within the community, this certain person saw a family that was in distress, was having a hard time, and relayed to workers that they would like those children. And that's exactly what has happened.
All the fox went out on a chilly night, and he prayed for the moon to give him light, for it many miles to go that night before he reached the town. No, town, no, town, no, many miles to go that night before he reached the town. No.